Welcome to today's tutorial where we explore the innovative applications of augmented reality, or AR, in mental health apps. This technology is not just for gaming anymore. It has profound implications for mental health treatment and therapy, and we are going to dive deep into how we can utilize AR to create applications that help people improve their mental health. In this video, we will cover a few key areas: understanding AR technology, its benefits in mental health, and we will also dive into some practical coding examples that demonstrate how to implement AR features in a Java-based application. First, let's take a moment to understand what augmented reality is. AR overlays digital information, sounds, images, and text onto the real world, enhancing the way we interact with our environment. Now, how does this relate to mental health? AR can be used to create immersive environments where users can confront their fears in a controlled setting, practice mindfulness, or simply re-engage with their surroundings in a positive way. Imagine a person fearing public speaking using AR to simulate a crowd in a safe environment. Let's discuss some practical implementations of AR in mental health applications. For instance, we can create a simple AR application that allows users to visualize calming environments, such as serene beaches or peaceful gardens. We will use the AR Core library for Android. To start, make sure you have Android Studio installed, as we will be creating an Android application. You'll also want to set up AR Core in your project. Make sure to include the dependencies in your build.gradle file. Next, we need to create a new activity that will handle our AR session. In this activity, we will configure our AR environment and set up an AR fragment to host the AR content. Let's create a class named AR Activity. In this code, we import the necessary classes and create an activity for our AR content. We check if AR is supported on the device and set up a new AR session accordingly. Now, let's add the AR fragment in our layout file. Now that we've set up our AR session, let's add some AR content. For the purposes of our mental health example, we can model a calming beach scene using a 3D model. We will use the SceneForm SDK to add 3D content. Make sure to add your model to the asset folder. This Add 3D Model method builds our 3D model and attaches it to the AR scene. This will allow users to visualize the calming beach environment. To ensure everything runs smoothly, we need to call this method when our session is set up. But remember, it's really important to handle user interactions effectively. In this segment, we've set up a listener for touch events on our AR scene, which is where we can manage user interactions for stress relief exercises. Perhaps tapping on a calm scene could trigger soothing audio or guided imagery, enhancing the overall experience. Let's also discuss how we can incorporate mindfulness practices within our AR app. One effective method might involve using AR to guide users through meditation exercises. For example, we can create an AR overlay that instructs users to focus on their breathing, helping them relax and regain calmness. You could set up a timer that cycles through instructions, accompanied by calming visuals in AR. Engaging with the environment this way not only makes the exercises enjoyable, but also more effective as they immerse the user in an interactive experience. Now, let's look into integrating user feedback, which is vital in any mental health application. User experiences differ, and gathering feedback helps us tailor AR content better. You might create an interface that allows users to provide feedback after they complete a session. In this example, the button is linked to a method that will trigger a dialog for users to submit their insights after using the application. This allows the application to evolve and improve based on actual user experiences. Fortifying the user's emotional well-being using AR can also be done through community support features. Integrating social features where users can share their experiences could be beneficial. Imagine users being able to upload their customized relaxation scenes to share with others. Utilizing REST APIs, users can connect and share their unique AR experiences, sometimes using user-generated content, UGC, to bolster community ties and reinforce mental health dialogues. Providing a sense of belonging is crucial for mental well-being. Another exciting feature we can integrate is reminders and notifications. Engaging users at optimal times for mindfulness exercises is necessary. These notifications can serve as gentle nudges for users to reconnect with their breath during stressful moments. Let's implement this feature next. In the above code, we configure an alarm to trigger notifications every hour. Notifications can remind users to practice mindfulness or even return to their calming AR scene. This feature helps keep mental health practices at the forefront of a user's day. To wrap it all up, we've covered a lot of ground in this discussion of AR in mental health applications. From its potential to help users visualize calming environments, practice mindfulness, integrate community features, and push notifications for mindful engagement, the possibilities are profound. If you did find this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials that delve deep into fascinating intersections of technology and human well-being. Engage, share your thoughts in the comments, and remember, technology can indeed foster a healthier mind.